Alright, recording in progress in 3, 2, 1, and action. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MotoBeks, and for today's video, I am so excited because we're going to unbox the new Bell Custom 500 Steve McQueen. Let's start. Okay, so in the scissor, and we're gonna unbox this. So, internationally available na siya. Now in the Philippines, it's also available. So, let's unbox this. So, thank you so much, Dans, for delivering this straight home. And as usual, as we open the box of this Bell Custom 500 Steve McQueen, maraming mga nice details from the exterior part of the box. So here in the front, you will see now the real fun begins. See you out there. So it's a nice message from the top of the box, and on the side you will see information about 278, and my size is medium, and that's the color. And on the side it's just like the plain red and the black. So as we open it now, okay, and another one. So it comes with a helmet leather bag. So it's really premium and nice one. So that's inside the box. So let's put the box here nila muna, so we can really see what this helmet to offer. So here you can see it now, and as we unwrap, the helmet is here. So we have the visor. The visor's here. Siyempre pinaka-importante yung helmet. So this one is covered with a nice protection. Okay, so as we see, I'm so excited. There you go. Oh, so nice. This is the front. So I'm gonna put this down first. Alright, so this is the front part of the helmet, and then I'm gonna turn it towards the left side, and then the back, and the front. So other side again, rather. Okay, so right now we can see there's a nice color blue colorway, and the nice three strips with the lining of red and white accents from the front all the way to the back. So this one is the replica of Steve McQueen, and also here we have the manual, and also the Steve McQueen. Nakalagay dito is ISDT number 278. So ISDT means International 6 Days Trial, and then number 278 yung number niya sa motorcycle niya na Triumph. Okay, so let's remove this. So where's my scissor? Where are you? Oh, it's back. So likod ko pala. Okay, now let's remove this. Yeah, let's put the helmet. So every time you buy a Bell helmet, definitely there's a manual and also a sticker, Bell sticker, and a strip of reflectorizer. So I guess this one, especially when you travel at night, 3M, you can put it on the side para makikita ka sa gabi. So that's a nice add-on for this. As usual, mainit na naman. Dami ilaw. Good morning. Okay. So, let's remove also. Okay, now, so how to remove this nice limited kitchen. So, let's remove right now this keychain from the double D ring strap. So, just easily remove the button and easily lang unwrap and unstrap. Ayun. Nakadikit pala siya. Okay, so i-effortan natin to. So my size is medium my size is medium from Bell Bullet, and also for the 3/4 helmet, which is my first one. This is the Custom 500 Steve McQueen. Yan. So I'm gonna put my best paki here. So nakalagay. There you go. And this one, mamaya may malapitan tayo. This is the closer Steve McQueen ISDT International 6 Days Trial 278. Right. So again, ito yung wala pang visor. So let's try it out and let's see. So here is the front face of the Bell helmet Custom 500 Steve McQueen, and I'm going to turn to my right. Okay, so I'll just give you a 360 look of this helmet. So I'm going to turn to my right. So I'm going to show you now the 360 look of this helmet. So front, side, and then the back. And we'll turn again on the other side. And here's the front again. Yeah. So right now, let's put the pin. So at least you have the idea how it looks like pag walang pin visor. And now, lagyan natin siya ng pin visor. And let's put this 3-point pin visor. There you go. So pang mamalapitan, nice, this one. So it's 278, it's a number. So nasa likod may code na 510. Ayan, nakalagay Bell Steve McQueen 278. Nice one. So let's put this on here. So madali lang yung ilagay. So parang nag-clip ka lang. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Ayan. You have to hear that's nice snap. Ibig sabihin, pasok sa banga. Ayun, pasok sa banga. So let's try now na may pin. So this is the original, this is the replica look na ginamit ni Steve McQueen during the International 6 Days Trial. Ayan, so let's try it now. Alright, so right now, nakakabit na yung medium size Custom 500 Steve McQueen. So this is the front. And let's turn this side naman to my left. So this side profile, then go to back. And then another here. And here again. I'll be using this in the coming Distinguished Gentleman's Ride and this coming weekend. So ito na yun. So really nice, and you can put a lot of different kinds of visor. Pwede siya yung flat face front visor, pwede yung bubble visor, or just any goggles will fit. And for example, if you have any preferred design for it to cover your eyes, and also like shades, pwede din. It really feels fitted in my head, so sobrang hindi siya maalog. Kasi pag maalog yan, so ibig sabihin you have a wrong size So let's try it now. So this is my usual shades na sinusuot na usually here with my bell bullet. So it's red and also nice. That complements the red lining on top. There you are. So, wagi. Alright, let's check what's inside the helmet. Let's go closer. So there's a nice lining inside, and as I go closer, you can see that nice diamond pattern from the stitches, and it's a premium leather. I hope you enjoy our unboxing for our new belt helmet Custom 500 Steve McQueen. And if you're asking how much is this, if you go to the authorized dealers, this is 12,590 pesos. And please subscribe and click the notification bell for updates, and your comments are highly appreciated. Thanks again for watching. Bye!